About the aims and objectives of Vijnana Bharati, which is to rejuvenate the Swadeshi science movement, to spread awareness about the contributions of ancient Bharat in the development of modern science, to motivate young scientists towards greater creativity, to popularize science, to educate the masses, particularly the younger generations. The Sci-FFI, a flagship program of Vijnana Parishad Goa, is one such event which aims to create this curiosity and interest in young minds about science through cinema.
Namaskar and Suswagatam. This is a milestone event that we have this year, which is the 10th anniversary of the Science Film Festival of India. And to match this particular milestone, we have a host of different programs that we have organized in this year's SIFI, Science Film Festival of India, which will be Science Film Festival of India 2025. I welcome you all for this curtain raiser, where we are going to give you a little bit of idea of what we are going to cover up in the Sci-Fi 2025.
आजच्या या कार्यक्रमाला मला प्रकर्षाने जयंतरावांची आठवण होते, ज्यांच्याबरोबर अनेकदा मला चर्चा करण्याची संधी मिळाली. विशेषतः आपल्या कामाचा उपयोग समाजासाठी कसा करता येईल याविषयी त्यांचा आग्रह आणि प्रयत्न हे नक्कीच प्रेरणादायी होते असं मला मुद्दाम सांगावं असं वाटतं. त्याचबरोबर त्यांना झालेला दुर्दैवी अपघात आणि त्यानंतर दिवसागणिक त्यांच्या तब्येतीत होत जाणारी सुधारणा आणि नंतर अचानक झालेला त्यांचा जीवनाचा प्रवास संपण्याचा दिवस, याच्यामध्ये मोठ्या आशेने असं नेहमीच वाटत होतं की ते त्यातून बाहेर येतील, परंतु नियतीच्या मनात काहीतरी वेगळं होतं. आणि म्हणून त्यांनी हा जो उपक्रम सुरू केला, ज्याला यावर्षी 10 वर्ष पूर्ण होत आहेत, त्याला त्यांच्या त्या प्रयत्नांना तेवढ्याच आत्मीयतेने साथ दिलेल्या आदरणीय स्वर्गीय श्री पर्रीकर सरांची, मनोहर पर्रीकर, आणि त्यांचे असंख्य सहकारी, या सर्वांना मी आज या निमित्ताने विनम्र अभिवादन करतो. My dear friend and inspiration, Dr. Manoj Borkar, whom I have not seen in Madgaon market, but he has inspired me during my college days and thereafter. And I am astonished by the way he has developed himself and the generation of girls, because he teaches in Carmel College, that's why I am talking about girls, and one of the most outstanding scholars that I have come across in my life, not because he is my friend, but as a third person when I look at the talent that is around in our country. He deserves to be at a different level instead of where he is today. Of course, it is also a very coveted position of professor, but he could be at a different level had he picked up and got some of the opportunities which probably the destiny had different thought in mind.